Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandi Rose if you did not know, and today we're doing this cute trendy braid. And now I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed and blow dried and flat iron. I did try to trim off some of my ends, but I'm a little scared to go any further because I don't want to mess it up again, so don't talk about me too bad. First off, I'm going to start by sectioning off my hair in two parts. I'm just going to get the back of my hair out the way so it can make it easier just to lay down the hair in general. To slick my hair back, I'm going to be using the Shine and Jam like so. Basically, you want to try to cover every strand of hair that needs to be laid down, and then you're going to go back in and slick it down with a brush. Now that I've tucked off the front part of my hair, I'm just going to slick back the back of my hair, and then we're going to put it all together. Now I'm going in with the edge booster just to lay my edges real quickly before I wrap it to go into the next step. And if you really want your hair to lay down, add some Got To Be Glued on top of all of that, slick it back, brush it in, and wrap your hair. Now for the braid, I am using the Spectra braid hair in the color 1B at 26 inches long. And these are going to be the tools that you need for the next step. I use the braid formula just to slick any hairs down. And this, I forget, like scrunchies, but these are stronger. If you don't get these, you're going to be doing your hair over like I did, because this is the second time that I'm doing this style. So even if the hair is already in a rubber band, you want to use this band, wrap it around twice, and then attach it to your hair like a ponytail. And once you do that, a beginner's way to get this started is separate your hair in three parts and the hair in three parts and put them in rubber bands like I did. Doing it this way made it 10 times easier for me, and then you want to make sure you detangle the hair so it can be easy to braid. Now also, when you do that, you also want to add the braid formula so your hairs blend in with the weave. Now, I was struggling at the beginning, but this is the best way to braid it. You want to go behind your head, but once I got the hang of it, I was able to get through. I redid it for a second time just because I wanted it to be a little neater. As you can see, this looks a lot better than what I was dealing with in the beginning. But yeah, it may take you a few tries, but it's okay. Don't give up. It's not going to be that hard once you try it a second or third time. Now for the end, I'm going to leave some strands just long enough to curl it for later and just put a rubber band on it. I am spraying some Got To Be and then going to go in and blow dry it so it can melt and look crispy clean. And then for that strand that we left out, we're going to wrap her around to cover any excess hair that's still sticking out. Now, it may look crazy when you first do it, but you just want to make sure the hair is stretched out to cover the beginning of the ponytail so it can cover any excess hair. And then we're going to go back in and slick it down with gel anyhow. So don't worry, it may look a mess now, but it's a process. Trust the process. As I'm wrapping it, I'm also going to be adding a little bit of the Got To Be Glued and detangling it as I go, just to have a flawless wrap. And of course at the end you want to bobby pin it, add a little gel to make it even smoother, and you got your wrap. Don't be like me, make sure you got all your tools, because I had to relay down my hair with the Got2b, the Shine and Jam, and redo my edges because I didn't have the proper tools the first day, so not a big deal, but here it is. Now for my favorite part, the flexi rods. I did get these flexi rods. It's the purple ones. I don't know how big these are, but usually the purple and the whatever color you get is going to be the same size as this. I'm detangling the hair, adding a little bit of gel, and then wrapping it around the flexi rod. And of course I did dip it in hot water, and these are the results. I'm just gonna unravel it very gently. And it looks like this hair does curl pretty nicely. I mean, look at this. You can already tell, look. Perfect, perfection. And this is how low it sits on me at the 26 inches, and it's time to unravel this scarf to see how nice my hair is laid. Now this is just beautiful. The front is beautiful. The back, maybe not so much. I could have did a little bit better and switched it around, and it would have laid the back a little bit better, but I still love it. This is how it came out. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments below what you want to see next as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. And don't forget to hit that bell notification.